guys, Todd Ault here with another glistening gem of business sagacity. By now you know I favor an activist business model, highlighted by the fact that I like to find undervalued assets, disruptive technologies with a global impact. In short, I love to combine groundbreaking ideas with aggressive marketing plans. And you know what that really means? I never allow myself to be a passive player in my own future. I don't wait for the marketplace to make decisions for me. But don't mistake not reacting from being passive. There are times when the best course of action is to do nothing. Now, if you're like me, those are the toughest decisions to wrap your head around. Because my personality wants me to snap up new opportunities before the competition can beat me to the punch. I love this quote. Richard Branson said, "Opportunities are like buses. There's always another one coming." Yes, it's wise to anticipate the trends, but at the end of the day, you're the person whose livelihood is on the line. Here are a few things to ask yourself if you're feeling pressure to jump on someone else's bandwagon. Am I truly excited about the reality associated with this, or am I just excited about the promise? In other words, do the facts line up with the dream? Do I have a calm, realistic peace about this opportunity, or am I just rushing to be the first? And probably most important, have I thought about the downside and worked out a plan from that perspective? If you've asked yourself these basic questions more often than not, you'll find yourself on the right side of the deal than the wrong one. Now, I've given you gold, now run with it.